Cremation is a process of disposing of a corpse by burning it to ashes. This practice has been used in various cultures and religions throughout history. It has become especially popular in urban areas where cemetery space is limited. Cremation is an increasingly popular method for dealing with the remains of the deceased, offering an alternative to traditional burial practices. Environmental concerns have also led many to consider cremation. It typically requires less land use than burials and avoids the use of embalming chemicals, which can seep into the soil. The body is cleaned and wrapped in a simple garment, often white, to symbolize purity. The body may be placed in a simple wooden coffin or wrapped in cloth. A religious ceremony is performed in a Buddhist temple or other designated place, where Buddhist priests or monks recite sacred texts, such as sutras, and incense and flowers are offered. The body is transferred to a designated pyre. In some cultures, the body is placed on an open wood pile, lit by a fire, as is common in some rural areas. In modern cities, cremation takes place in special high-temperature ovens, known as crematoriums. The cremation process begins with the preparation of the body, including the removal of pacemakers or metal implants. The body is then placed in a proper container, often made of wood or cardboard. The incineration takes place in a specialized furnace called a cremator. Temperatures within the cremator reach between 1400 and 1800 degrees Fahrenheit, 760 to 982 degrees Celsius. The process involves the use of high-temperature burning, vaporization, and oxidation, reducing the physical body to its essential chemical compounds, mainly ashes and fragments of bone. Under these conditions, the body is completely converted to ashes within a few hours, within 1 to 3 hours. These ashes, known as cremains, are then processed to remove any metal remnants, such as fillings or implants, and ground into fine particles. Cremains can be handled in various ways, depending on the wishes of the deceased or their family. They can be placed in an urn and stored either at home or enter them in a crematory, scattered in a meaningful location, such as the river or other natural location, or even incorporated into jewelry or other keepsakes. In Buddhism, scattering ashes in nature is believed to restore them to the cycle of life. In terms of environmental impact, cremation has both benefits and drawbacks. It reduces the physical space required for burial and eliminates the use of embalming chemicals. However, it does consume a significant amount of energy and releases carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. While some see the process as an efficient way of handling remains, others, particularly those from traditions that favor burial, may find it less respectful or incompatible with their beliefs. As a response, more eco-friendly methods and technologies, such as resumation, alkaline hydrolysis, are being developed to reduce the environmental footprint of cremation. Many choose cremation due to its cost-effectiveness, environmental considerations, and flexibility in memorial services. Historically, cremation has its roots in ancient civilizations. The practice was prevalent in ancient Greece and Rome, signifying purification and release of the soul. Over time, various cultures and religions have incorporated cremation into their rites. Though some religions, like Orthodox Judaism and Islam, where cremation is forbidden, it is preferable to bury the body completely. In places like Japan, cremation is the norm due to religious and cultural reasons. Cremation is the most common method of disposing of bodies, accounting for approximately 99%. Overall, cremation is a personal choice that reflects an individual's or a family's beliefs, traditions, and practical considerations. It is a topic that intertwines deeply with societal values and advancements in technology, making it a continually evolving practice. In general, cremation may be considered a dignified and respectful way to handle the remains of loved ones, as some promote. It also allows flexibility in memorialization and is compatible with modern environmental considerations, making it an attractive option for many in contemporary society, but one that may be frowned upon or forbidden by others.